Shri Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. Any orthodox Hindu may come, but we have got our weapons, Vedic evidences. So nobody has come. Even Christian priests, even Christian priests in America, they love me. They say that these boys, our boys, they are Americans, they are Christians, they are Jews, and these boys are so much after God, and we could not deliver them. They are admitting. Their fathers, their parents come to me, they also flatly offer their obedience and say, Swami, it is our great fortune that you have come. You are teaching God consciousness. So, on the contrary, I got reception from all of them. And India also, as you inquired of India, all other sects, they are admitting that before me, many hundreds of Swamis went there, that they could not convert to Krishna consciousness a single person. They are admiring that. And so far, I am concerned, I don't take any credit, but I am confident that because I am presenting the Vedic knowledge as it is, without any adulteration, it is being effective. That's my confidence. Just like if you have got the right medicine, and if you administer to a patient, you must be sure that you will be cured. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.